Good morning, students. Today we will be solving practice set 1.3 question number 1. The question is write the following rational numbers in decimal form. As you can see here, you have got 9 upon 37. Dividend is 9 and divisor is 37. So I have written here 37 as the divisor and 9 is the dividend. Now first step will be, here 9 is given. What I have done, we want answer in decimal form. So you have to put here decimal point and as many zeros as possible you can put to the right of decimal point. The value does not change. That is what we studied last time. How we can convert a terminating decimal form 1.75 to non-terminating recurring. So 1.75 I put here zeros, so many zeros I put, and a dot means zero is recurring. So it means after decimal point as many zeros as possible. If you want, you can write. Okay, now here you can see I have written the table of 37. Okay, first check 9. 9 is the dividend. It is smaller than the divisor. So you have to take 37 zeros are 0, right? What you will get? 9 minus 0, 9. After decimal point, you are taking this 0. So quickly put 0 in the quotient, right? Now 90 is given. You want 90 or a number closer to 90. So if you see 37 ones are 37, here 37 twos are 74, 37 threes are 111. So which number is closer? You need 90 or smaller than that and a number closer to 90. 74 is the number closer. So you will take 37 twos are 74. Okay, now here 10 minus 4, 6. Here 1 we have borrowed. So this will be 8. 8 minus 7, 1. Okay. Now, after this what you will do? Take 0 from the dividend. So now 160. So you want 160. So what you will do? Here 37 5s are 185. Okay. So 185 you cannot take. You don't need bigger number. Either 160 or a number closer to 160, that is 148. Okay, so 37 4s are 148. Here 10 minus 8, 2. 1 we have borrowed, so this will be 5. 5 minus 4, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, now again you take 1 0 down from the dividend. This will be 120. Now 120 means what you will take? Here 37 3s are 111, right? Either you want 120 or a number closer to it. So which one is closer? 111. So this will be 37 3s are 111 minus. Okay, here 10 minus 1, 9. Now you have borrowed from here, so this will be 0. This will be 0 and you will get, again you can take one more 0. As I told you, just keep on writing how many zeros you want, you can take. No problem with that. Okay, now 90 you have got. Just check. Here also we have got 90, right? So 90 means what you will do? Here 111 is there, so you will take 37 twos are. Okay, 37 twos are 74. What you will get again? Here 10 minus 4, 6. 8 minus 7, 1. Again you take 0 from the dividend. 160 you got. 160 means we have repeated here. 160 means what? Again you will take 37 4s are 37 4s are 148. Okay, so you will get Again you can take one more 0 down. 120. 120 means what you will take? 111. It is closer. 3 is. You will get 111. 10 minus 1, 9. 0, 0. Again you can take. So how long you want to continue, it is your choice. Now check here. You got here 2, 4, 3. Right? Again 2, 4, 3. And here 9. And check here. Here again if I put 0, it will be 90. And you will get again 2, then 4 and 3. Here 90 we got, and see here also 90. And here again I will take one more 0, 90. Means this 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, again 2, 4, 3, again 2, 4, 3. This will go on and on and on. Okay. So you can write 9 upon 37 is equal to 0.243. Now this 243 group of digits, they are repeating, right? So you can put a bar like this. This is the shortcut. I hope you have understood. And what type of it is? It is non-terminating. It's not going to and go on and on. And here group of digits, they are repeating. This is 9 upon 37 is the example of non-terminating and recurring decimal form. I hope you have understood.